Welcome back, YouTube, to another Pennies Search and Fill episode. Today we'll be hunting our 7th and 8th box and trying to fill these 2 coin albums. That goes from 1909 to 1974. And we're only missing a couple of the non-wheats in this one, so hopefully we can get those in this box and a couple more of the wheats. I ended up getting 2 different boxes of pennies. One is Loomis rolls and one is non-Loomis rolls. So I think we'll do a little competition to see which one has more finds. And we'll open this up and see if it's circulated. Got the first box of non-Loomis rolls opened up, and it's definitely circulated. So we'll start with the hunt. In roll number 2, we have our first find. It's a wheat scent, but it was reverse up, so let's flip it over and see what the date is. It's be a 57 Denver. It's our first wheat scent on the board, so we'll set it aside and continue with the hunt. Roll number 4, we have our second find. It was obverse up, and it's gonna be a 1946 San Francisco wheat scent. Our second find on the board, so we'll set that aside, continue with the hunt. In the middle of roll number 7, we have our next find. It's a find I don't get a lot. We just found a proof coin. Looks like it's gonna be a 1976 San Francisco. It's clear to see the S right there. It's a little damaged. It looks like it has fingerprints on it, but still a really cool find. I don't find a lot of proofs. So set that aside, continue with the hunt. Roll number 8, and we have our next wheat scent. It's obverse up, and we can see it's a 1950 Denver wheat scent. Not in the greatest condition, but still another find on the board. It's a 1950 Denver. Let's add that to the board. Let's continue with the hunt. In the middle of roll number 10, we have our next find. It's gonna be a wheat scent. It was reverse up. It's in pretty good condition, so it's probably from the 50s or 40s. Okay, it's gonna be a 1945, end of World War II. It's a cool find. We'll add that to the rest of the wheat scents and continue with the hunt. Roll number 15, we just found a 1951 Denver wheat scent. It's pretty good. We'll add that to our other finds and continue with the hunt. Roll number 17, we just have another wheat. It has a little bit of luster still on it, so that's pretty good to see. So it's probably a 50s. Flip it over and see what year it is. Yup, it's gonna be a 1958 Denver. Has a little bit of luster on it, which is always good to see. So add that to the pile and continue with the hunt. Roll number 33, just got another find. It's gonna be a 1948 San Francisco wheat scent. It's in pretty good condition. It's one of our first 40 finds of the box. So we'll set that aside and continue with the hunt. We're still in the middle of roll 38. We have another find in the roll. It was reverse up, so let's flip it over and find the date. All right, it looks like it's a 1951 San Francisco, so we just found that 48 San Francisco, and there's also 51 San Francisco in the same roll. Let's quickly see if there's anything else in this roll. All right, doesn't look like it. Just 2 wheats in the roll, but still a good find. Let's continue with the hunt. Just a couple of rolls later, we have another wheat scent find. It's gonna be a 1953 Denver wheat scent. It's pretty good. We have a good variety of years. We've only had a couple of duplicates. So we'll set that on the board. Continue with the hunt. Roll number 40, we just have our next find. It was another wheat scent. It's reverse up, so let's flip it over and see what it is. It's gonna be another 1958 Denver. It's gonna be the 3rd one we found of this hunt. Let's continue with the hunt and see what else we can find in this first box of non-Loomis rolls. Just finished the box of non-Loomis rolls. We ended up finding 11 wheat scents, 1 proof, 4 Canadians, 2 coins we needed for our books that weren't wheat scents, 1 penny that just had a sticker on it that I thought was cool. Overall, it was a good box. I'll go through a more detailed recap after I finish the second box. Let's get the second box open and see if it's circulated. Just opened up this box. And it's not circulated. That means we won't be finding anything good in this. They're all going to be 1922 Denver, it looks like. Yep, that's sad. I was hoping we'd get another box hunt in today, but unfortunately they're all gonna be non-circulated. So I'll get the coins sorted from the first box, and I'll give you guys a quick recap. All right, I just got them laid out for a quick recap. I ended up finding 3 1958 Denvers, 1 1957 Denver, a 1953 Denver, 1951 Denver, 1951 San Francisco, a 1950 Denver, 1948 Denver, San Francisco, sorry, and a 1946 San Francisco. And then it off, we found a 1945 Philadelphia. Only 1 Philadelphia find of the whole box. It's kind of unusual, but that's good to see. Then we ended up finding a 1976 San Francisco proof. I don't find a lot of proof, so it was pretty cool to find one in my collection. Then we ended up getting 4 Canadians, all different years. The oldest one we had was in 1977. We ended up getting this penny with a sticker on it. I'll return this, I just thought it was funny. Then we ended up getting 2 coins we needed for our book. It's a 1968 Philadelphia and 1972 San Francisco with a little bit of toning on it, which is good to see. I'll double check to see which wheat cents we need for the book, and I'll bring you guys back. Out of all those coins, we were able to add 6 coins into our collection, 4 wheat cents and 2 non-wheat cents. So I'll get these put in the book, and I'll give you guys an update. All in all, it was a pretty good hunt. The non-wheats are almost complete. We're only missing a handful, and the 50s are filling up and the 40s are filling up. We don't have a lot of the teens, 20s, or 30s, but hopefully we can find some more in the next box. Thank you guys for watching this hunt. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. You guys are awesome as always. Happy hunting. Ciao.